When you deal with AI model cost, stop thinking in words and start thinking in tokens. AI models don't actually read English. They process fragments of data. What is a token? Think of it as a building block. When you prompt an AI, it breaks your text into smaller pieces. One token is roughly 3 to 4 characters. This fragmentation is how the machine understands your intent. For product managers, tokens are the currency of AI. Every interaction costs you money based on token count. And here is the catch. You pay for inputs, outputs, and the tokens used to remember the conversation history. If your prompts are too long and with unnecessary profit margins disappear. To build a profitable product, you must optimize your token budget. Subscribe to AI Product Talk for more breakdowns and tell us how you manage your API costs.